This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Pathfinder, a big SUV for big fun. This SUV has a continuously variable transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, 13 perfectly positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.